To get cross-functional teams to innovate, they need to start off with a common goal. What's the goal or objective that are bringing people together? And innovation ideally is driven by creating customer value. So if we can get a group of people in different functions and different roles in an organization to really understand the customer and really be empathetic to saying, we want to understand this customer better than anyone else. We are willing to shape products, services, experiences, even business models to really win in creating that value for these customers. That really creates such an overwhelming North Star that the whole team can be inspired to work towards. And a great product, service, experience, business model takes the collective power of the whole organization to come together. So setting up that catalyst for change starts with the goal, putting customer centricity first, using that as a North Star to drive change and innovation.